Summertime in the UK, and it's definitely car show season. But one of my favourites is actually an evening meet organised by Berkshire and District Classic Car Club, or BADccc. This is held at White Waltham Airfield, where there's plenty of place to park. I think the last couple of shows there was 150 to 170 cars and quite an eclectic mix. Anything ranging from the 1930s right the way up to modern classics. So there's plenty to see, plenty of people to chat to. So why not look up Berkshire and District Classic Car Club, become a member, which costs absolutely nothing, and pop down, have a chat. It's an evening well worth attending. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the brief glimpse at the White Waltham, Berkshire and District Classic Car Club meet. Hope to see you there soon.